eliminating competition from bird's eye view. I'm descending in helicopters in a village raid. Flesh will burn when exposed to the poetical germ grenade. I'm highly intoxicating your mind. When I'm operating on cell walls to membranes, cytoplasms and protoplasms disintegrate. I'm eliminate, I'm not on one atom in battle. I display a nuclear ray battle, destroy bone marrow and cattle, thereby destroying the entire food supply. That's rolling with AIDS, maggots, flies. It's ironic when a demonic government utilizes biotics in a $6 million man to capture me. Clever, however, you can never ever begin to apprehend a hologram. Who's determined to fight solely to defend and rule the land of the holy? I threw a rock and I ran, cause I couldn't stand anymore. Was in the depths of the sand. So don't ask me who's sane, cause the hypnotic gases are eating my brain.
Minus 143 degrees. Sees the unforgettable archaeologist. The aftermath needs to follow this physics deep. Equivalent to the esophagus. Spreads the science. AKA Optimus Prime. Time. Television is dead. All the tissue and very much irrelevant to this intuition. Any aliens are indestructible. Mortal competition with infrared light vision. Precision. Beams. Colors. Reds. Fusions. Light grids. Black.